Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then scroll all the way down, click on Emergency SOS, select Emergency Contacts, and click on Add Emergency Contacts at the bottom. Now click on the one that you wish to add. And if you want to notify it right away that it was added to your emergency contact list, select OK in the pop-up. If you don't, just tap on Cancel. You can do exactly the same to contact 1, 2, or 3. If you wish to delete one of your added ones, just tap on this icon at the top right corner and select X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Then tap on Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!